Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Every day I used to start what a volatile market, but today there was no volatility. Of course, there was some intraday selling. I think 2 times the intraday selling came. By the time I know this FIIs know, anyway they have to sell. So nothing to worry, no matter what is the global cues, there will always be some intraday selling. That's because FIIs keep selling. Just look at some data. And today, the entire global markets were positive. And Europe opened so firmly positive. And still, today, FIIs were net sellers. And how much? Nearly for 1,500 crore. And today is the 9th straight day of selling in the month of March. And every day they are selling. And so far, 17 trading sessions are over in the month of March, or March series, not in the month of March series. Out of these 17 trading sessions, 14 trading sessions they were net sellers. Only 3 trading sessions they are buyers. When they bought for some small quantity, but when they sell 2,000 crore, 3,000 crore, like that they sell. Of course, if you go and dig out the data, it may not be 14.3, it may be 13.4. That's because one particular day, this GQG has bought 15,400 crore worth of Adani shares alone. And that day, the net buying was only about 12,000 crore. So which means that the 3,000 crore was actually selling by FIIs. So that particular day, I have taken it as a selling, excluding the Adani stocks. So the banking stocks have outperformed today. That's because worldwide the banks are stabilizing and the markets are rallying all over the world. And today the main rally came from Reliance Industries. Today Nifty is up about 100 plus points, and nearly half of that rally came only because of Reliance. So you take out the Reliance, today is again nothing. And of course, banking stocks came under good short covering. And banking stocks have been extremely oversold in the short term. And then if you look at the overall picture, still I would say I am not happy. There are many negatives. I can list out the negatives. Number 1, despite such a big move, Nifty did not cross Friday's high. After falling for nearly 2,000 points, so market could not take out day before yesterday's high. That is not really convincing. Number 2, FIIs are still selling. No matter what happens, they are selling. So that's India specific, a big concern. And number 3, and today such an excellent world markets everywhere green, but despite that, you look at the Nifty 50, is only about half the stocks ended in green. Nearly half the stocks ended in red. And particularly IT stocks. IT stocks have been doing very, very badly. Today I think in IT index, all the IT stocks fell. And number 4, the India VIX. It fell, but it did not crash. So one day, it shot up nearly 20%. So there must be a day where it should crash at least 10%, but it has not crashed. Usually the crash comes after certain events. So probably markets are waiting for this Fed event. So once the Fed event is over, maybe VIX may crash further. The Nifty, though rallied, but it is not really very convincing. But once again, as I have been saying, now the market is back to 17,750 on the downside and 17,250 on the upside. So anyway, we have 2 more days for this week expiry and 6 more days for the monthly expiry. Looking at the open interest, the puts have been written very, very aggressively. Even the 17,100 put option, which is at the money, has also been written very aggressively. That's because, markets are bullish and European markets are higher, US futures are higher. So tomorrow we are likely to gap up. and then there may be some intraday selling by FIIs surely, but once you withstand that, by time value 50% of the price will be gone because of the time value. After a long time, so I bought some options, and I bought 17,200 call option and sold 17,300 call option. So what these people call this as a bull call spread. So remember, this is a risk defined strategy. Even if market falls, I don't have to worry much, because whatever money I paid for buying 17,200, about half of that money I have already collected by selling 17,300 call option. So this is a risk defined strategy. So maybe I came out with a series of videos called mission options. So maybe now it is time I have to come out with another series, mission option part 2. So where I can explain all the strategies which I use. Here and there I have been telling you the strategies that I am using. So one strategy I gave Adani Enterprise, like call ratio spread. I bought 1900 call and sold 2200 call. And today I am giving you the strategy bull call spread. So maybe I will come out, I will think, I will plan to come out one series of videos. So anyway, it's a good day, and I think SGX Nifty, as and when our market closes, and immediately SGX Nifty used to fall, but this time now that is not the case. So SGX Nifty is trading around at least at the same level where it closed today. So that is something really very good, but US markets are really doing extremely well. We will see tomorrow, so what is going to happen, unless there is some very nasty surprise in US. So we are likely to continue the uptrend tomorrow. So the rest of the things we will see tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.